welcome back with me Tika. And now we are going to discuss or to learn about present perfect. As you know, everyone, present perfect is have or has followed by past participle. And then when we use present perfect, let's check it. We present perfect is used to first duration from the past until now. For example, he has been a teacher since 2010. It means he started his career since 2010 until now. And now he is still working as a teacher. Second, I have had a cold for a week. It means for a week I is sick. Next, next. Second, even in the past at an unspecified time. For example, she has been to Paris. It means she ever been to Paris, but we don't know the specific time when he went to Paris. Second, I've seen that movie. It's the same that we don't know the specific time when I watch the movie. And then third, repeated events in the past until now. For example, we have had 4 exams so far this semester. It means in this semester there were 4 exams already, and maybe we still have more exams in the future. The other example, I've been to this restaurant many times since I moved next door. Number 4 is change over time. For example, your English has improved since the last time we met. It means your English is getting better and better. Second example, my niece has grown a lot in the past year. Maybe she is getting taller or bigger than the last year we met. Number 5 or the last one, we use present perfect for uncompleted action that is expected to happen. For example, she hasn't finished her homework yet. It means she is still doing her homework and we expect her to finish it soon. Second example, they still haven't arrived. Maybe they're still on their way and we're still waiting for them. So that's all everyone about the present perfect and the use of present perfect. And hopefully you can get the point. And thank you.